ahead and get started. Today, I want to walk you through something pretty awesome. We've been fighting through this idea of how to give you greater opportunities to win this GoPro 5. And so we started off with giving you 8 ways to generate points. The first one we said, subscribe to our channel. You get points. By the way, as I mentioned these, you can earn anywhere between 1 to 5 points, right? And you can see that on the page. So check it out. Subscribe to our page, follow us on Twitter, follow us on Instagram, visit our Facebook fan page, follow us on Snapchat, upload a video introing our vlog, right? And sign up for our newsletter. So you have, those are our 8 ways. And now before the rain comes, I'm going to give you a 9th way that you can now generate points for this amazing contest. And also, get ready, because this is just the beginning. What we've done is we decided to take a look at all the different things that I'm able to use in my life that enhances it, my life, my business, and things like that. We're going to be giving them away all year long. But let's start off with a win for you with the GoPro 5. The 9th way we're going to give you that you can actually generate, I think, 1 point a day. That's what it is. You can generate up to 37 points now because there's 37 days left. We're going to give you points every day. If you just take a look on the page, you can take a little sentence that we wrote asking people to help you win. And so if you go ahead and post that on Twitter, you'll get a point. You can't get any more than 1 a day. If you have a robot or software, don't worry, we're going to disqualify you and kick you out of the contest. But for those of you that are serious, you can win it. Anyone can do this. That's what it's all about. So, as we get down to it, you have a great opportunity in front of you. I talked about leveraging time yesterday. Today, it's about leveraging what you have in front of you. I want to help you leverage the contest. Get the most out of it. And so, as you do, it's going to bring me great pleasure to ship to you wherever you live in the world the GoPro 5 and the Dwayne Golden Love Package of accessories. And no, you don't have to pay for anything. Just be there to pick it up. And I want you to open it up on video camera for us because we want the whole world to see what you've been able to do. This is Dwayne Golden. Have an amazing, amazing weekend. Take care. What other way? That's 7 ways. There's an 8th way. You guys want to help me with this one? You can make it like a selfie. And make it like a selfie. You don't talk while I'm doing it because it'll pick up on the mic. It picks up voices. What's the name? One of the ways. I'm missing one. Oh, yes. Referring a friend. No. So, yeah. And number 8, referring a friend. No, that's number 7. Okay, let me go back through it. Friend. And... boy, I'm the worst at this. So,
Sign up for your newsletter.
Yes, sign up for your newsletter.